Hello everyone, this is Arpit, and today our experiment is to implement audio effects using MATLAB and Simulink. Okay, so this experiment is a part of audio signal processing. Audio signal processing is a subfield of signal processing that is concerned with the electronic manipulation of audio signals. As audio signals may be represented in either digital or analog domain, processing may occur in either domain. So here we are using some digital signal processing techniques to alter the audio signals. The first effect that we are going to see is the fuzz or the distortion effect. It can be introduced in a music by using clipping effect by setting up a particular threshold above which the audio signal will be clipped off. So now let us run the MATLAB code and see. Sorry. Okay, so here is our fuzz. Now what we have done is we have read an audio file and implemented the distortion on it, and now we will check how is the audio file before and after the distortion is introduced. Okay, so the audio is saved in. Okay, let us go to the audio file. Yes. The original audio file is this one. Okay, so now let's have a look at the fuzz introduced audio file. So as you can observe, the fuzz or introduced audio file, it's kind of getting clipped off after a certain level. Okay, so now let us move on to another effect that is called the wah-wah effect. So wah-wah effect, it is an effect that is produced to create a distinctive sound mimicking the human voice saying the onomatopoeic name wah-wah. So this is our code for the wah-wah mix. Let us try to implement this code. On the same audio file we will be implementing this one. Okay, so this is our plot. Now it will be saved in mat_wire.h. Okay, so mat_wire, how is it? As you can observe, like at certain point of time there is a wah effect. It's like, observe this one. See, exactly at this point you can observe some effect. It is called the wah effect that we are adding to the audio signal. Okay, so now let's move on to another effect. This is our tremolo effect. So tremolo effect is nothing but amplitude modulation. So it's kind of a trembling effect that is used to uh, produce various kind of other effects in a music. Okay, So let's try to implement this one. Okay, so it will be saved in mat underscore trem. So this is our output for tremolo. As you can observe, at some period of time the amplitude of the signal is decreasing, and at some point it is increasing. It's just simple amplitude modulation of the signal. Okay, so now let's move on to another effect. Okay, so now we are at the flanger effect. So it alters the sound signal by introducing a cyclically varying phase shift into one of two identical copies of the signal and then recombining the signal again. Okay, so it is used especially in popular music to alter the sound of an instrument. So now let's have a look at it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the file is saved in. Okay, so this is our plot for flanger effect. The file is saved in mat underscore flang. Okay, mat underscore flang. Okay, so this was our flanger effect. Now, last but not the least, it's the ring modulation. Okay, so here it is performing ring modulation, and now let's have a look at the output. Okay, so this is our output for ring modulation. Actually, a huge number of samples has been taken, so you cannot observe the output properly in plot. So let us move towards the audio file and check the output over there. The audio file is saved as mat underscore ring. Okay, so this was the end of my presentation for MATLAB. Thanks. I hope you liked my presentation.